Pag sinabi ko, destroy the apparatus, tapos sabihin na ito ang nangyari siya, nag-serve kami ng ano. You know, yung search warrant, yung binibira nila kay ano, that is really for convenience. Because a warrant of arrest can really be served any time of the day or night, yung sabi, preferably on the night. But kung ang operation ng Shabu is not carried on during daytime because there is light, the police can go there anytime convenient for them to arrest. And I will stand by the police there. Wala naman nagtatransaksyon, nag-unload ng Shabu ng araw in public view. That's crazy. Okay, sumunod yan. I will answer for it. I will say I ordered it. Bakit ito na yung police would be stupid enough to carry on a Shabu business? Daylight? Be crazy. Di pagka ganon, huwag ka na lang magtrabaho. Tulog na lang kayo. You must at least give them the, at saka at the first sign of violence. Pagka ganon, patayin mo.
Gina-justify niyo po ba yung sinasabi ng iba na overkill, masyadong OA yung ginawang operations?
The police and the military should make sure that their enemies are dead. My order is to destroy the organizations. Hindi naman ito na basta you pick one enemy at a time, you are up against an organization. Parahinog has been there, and you can ask the ordinary citizen of Osamis.
Okay.
Tanungin mo sila kung ilan ang pulis na matay doon na hindi sumunod. They were running the city as if it was a feudal state of the family.